Hello, my people, and welcome back to Authentic Cryptos. Happy Christmas to each and every one of us in advance. So, this is for all of us that are waiting for our monthly salary from Rocky Rabbit. If you know you join us and do Rocky Rabbit, and you are also expecting your monthly salary, kindly come with me in this video as I will show you guys how to claim your own and receive it in your wallet, then send it to any fiat and enjoy yourself. Okay, so without no much further ado, I will tell you guys, if you know this is your first time coming across our channel, you can as well show us love by subscribing to our channel, like and comment on this particular post if you found value at the end of it, and also share so that other colleagues that are part of this monthly salary reward will not miss out and know how to go about it. So you guys know the rule. If you don't participate and withdraw, it is going to be burned, and we don't want them to burn our money. So let's head straight into the operation right away. First of all, you launch your Rocky Rabbit bot and come to this section that you see wallet. Beautiful. So this is how your wallet will look like. Then you will click on Rabbit Coin, which is RBTC. So you all can see our key is now open. It's now for us to get in and get our reward. So like I said, if you fail to withdraw, they are going to burn it, and we don't want them to burn it. At least what I will be getting here will be enough for at least 1 or 2 bottles of beer for Christmas. So that is just it. Once you open your RBTC, just click on claim now. You can see your vesting unlock successfully. They don't really want to stress us. They know we're in the spirit of Xmas, so they are not telling us to come and play game, do this or do that before we unlock. So it's that simple, very, very easy peasy. We have already unlocked our locked RBTC. So the next thing now is to head straight to where we will withdraw it to our wallet. Now that we have unlocked it, what is next? The next thing is to come to this withdraw session. You click on withdraw, then you can see your available asset to withdraw. Okay, you can see RBTC and ton. But in your own case, if you come here and RBTC is not showing, this is what you have to do. You go back a bit. You go back a bit and click on this refresh value. You click on the refresh value and you will see your balance. So let me just refresh my value. I think I have more than this to withdraw. Beautiful. Now I've refreshed my value. I'll hit on withdraw. You guys can see I have more than this to withdraw because my last month when I just unlocked it and I didn't withdraw. So now that I've refreshed it, all my available RBTC are here. So you guys can see I have 7 point something RBTC, 7 point something dollar. It's a very big something for small thing for Xmas. Let me just put it that way. 2, 3, 4 bottles will be okay. So this is how to go about it. After you've refreshed your value, the next thing is to hit on the RBTC, and you make sure that your Ton wallet is connected automatic. You guys can see the minimum amount to withdraw is 70.5k RBTC. But in my own case, I have 535k RBTC. That's massive. Okay, so now once you've make sure you've confirmed your wallet, the next thing is to click on maximum so that all your RBTC will appear. And you guys can see all my RBTC are here. The next thing is enter Telegram code. Then you hit on send code. They will send you a code, easy peasy. Then you just tap this upper button right here so that you will minimize it and get the code. So this is the code they sent for me. December 23, 2024, withdrawal verification code 745563. 745563. Then I'll go back. 745563. So your own code will be different from mine. You just have to put your own, and you have limited time to do that. Okay, 745563. Then I'll hit on confirm withdrawal. You can see everything here. Available RBTC, minimum, maximum, the fee that they will charge. So once you got everything right like this, you just have to proceed. You can just read through everything. Just have to proceed. Then you hit on confirm withdrawal. Entering the code is required. Okay, it's like I didn't get the code correct. Let me still go and check. Oh, sorry guys, I missed the last code. They say 745564. I say 563. This Christmas group, then my body. The last code here is 4. Okay, so I have to hit on confirm. Entering the code is required. Okay, I think I should request a fresh code because this particular one have already elapsed. I'll hit on send code so that they will send me a fresh code. Okay, I just have to copy it. Let me just copy it. Oh, it's not copyable. 164815. Let me quickly do that. 164816, right? Let me check. 164815. Okay, 815. Let me do that. 815. Then I think everything is okay now. Then I hit on confirm withdraw. And you guys can see withdrawal has been successfully completed. And that is just the 411, pass like that. So follow this step-by-step process and withdraw your own RBTC to your Ton wallet. So this is how to check if your withdrawal was successful. After you've withdrawn, you guys can see that they have already deducted it from my balance right here. So you just have to hit on this upper button right here to see your transaction. Then you hit on it. Then you come to withdraw right here. And you can see the withdrawal that we just placed now. You guys can see that it is pending. So once it's verified and sent to our wallet, it will turn to success like this particular one. Okay, so that is just it. Once you have this in your withdrawal session, just go and rest. The next thing is to receive your alert in your Tonkeeper or your Telegram wallet, anywhere you submitted. Then you can as well send your RBTC to Bitgate exchange or any other exchange and sell it to USDT and enjoy yourself. That is just a simple strategy and simple hack for this. Alright, so if you really found value in this video, do well to give your boy a thumbs up, comment on this post and share so that a lot of people will get this knowledge on how to go about it. So till I come your way next time, guys, thanks for watching. Follow this tutorial step by step and enjoy the rest of your Christmas season. Bye for now.